Do you love me? Are you achievable for a newbie like me?
Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Today's video is sponsored by me, aka my Patreon. Check out the links in the description if you'd like to be part of the deluxe weirdness. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo, as displayed by my merch. And welcome to the weirdness. Today is the day I'm going full chaos. So like I was saying, my cool kid Patreons got to suggest several cosplays for a noob like me. Thanks, guys. So after discussing, we came up with this KIKI from KIKI's delivery service. Yeah! The first thing I have to do is take care of my hairs. I've got my work cut out for me over here with my Goku hair. Also, let's just pretend that this is black. And her hair too. Magical transformation, wash, condition, deep condition, blow dry, leave in, go! Cool. So now that my hair is blow dried, I can move on, but the sun seems to have set in a major way, and the lighting looks weird and bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film on the next day. Okay, good night. Greetings, mornlings. I have returned. Does anyone remember this design? I do. So, for anyone who remembers these are waveformers. Links in the description, even though they're not the ones I have because Curlformers took them down. Anyone who remembers these remembers what they did to my hair, but I'm only using them once, so everything should be fine this time. For OGs, look at how long my hair has gotten. It never even got past the third one, now we're at the fifth. Yay! Now to take these down. Oh, check this one out. It gave me trouble. And then I remembered why I don't use these on even a semi-regular basis. Be careful with these, kids. And done. Scalp gang. I tell you, having fine hair will keep you humble all the time. I'm thankful for each and every hair, skinny or not. Just kidding, there's no not, they're all skinny, it's fine. Alright, so we're immediately out of my depth. It's time for makeup, which I am not confident in. Here's my skin with nothing on it but moisturizer and SPF. Wear your SPF. I think I should use foundation. So I bought this from Glossier. It's the Glossier Foundation and Cheat Tool. All the links are in the description. None of this is sponsored, but if you want to use my code to get $10 off, that's cute. Not needed though. You'll see why. I'm trying to remember if I need the foundation before the concealer, or does the concealer go before the foundation? Yeah, I think it's the foundation. Or... No, that's right. I just need a brush. So I'm placing the dots all around my head. You'll have seen foundation being put on, maybe, probably. That is the best foundation match I have ever experienced in my life, which is why I chose Glossier to be a lot of my products. But the foundation is great. It's pretty sheer coverage, and I feel confident in that because I am not good at makeup, I am good at skincare. Here we go. This is a new technique that I like to use called Panic and Panic at the Danielle. So I'm checking out the coverage, trying to blend things out, and okay, I'll just let you see if you see it. Do you see it? You see it? That's right, nothing. Okay, I'm kidding. There is definitely a difference, but it is a sheer coverage foundation. I mean, in real time, I couldn't tell if there was a difference or not. So now, I'm thinking about contouring and highlighting. I heard that you're supposed to get a shade in concealer that's 2 to 3 shades lighter than your own, and then for contour, 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural color, but I'm me color, so they only had 1 shade darker than my actual color, which is G2, so I'm explaining contouring to you like you don't know what that is. I sure don't. You'll see. So I'm going to start with G2 concealer to conceal just those little scars on my cheek. It's a beautiful match. I think it looks great on my skin. I'm so excited to contour. Where is it? I immediately started having flashbacks to playing a morbid game I used to play when I was a child called Let's Find Me in the beauty aisles of every store in my direct area, trying to find any shade that even came close to me. Now I have me, but I don't have anything darker. Oh no! Please put contour shades in the chat. So now it's time for highlight shades. I only bought this one because the model's name was Danielle. I thought that was a sign. I don't have anything to say here. I'm just gonna let it play. You'll see. Where is it? I don't know! Send your contouring suggestions and makeup brand suggestions to 12345 Internet Weirdo Street, aka the comment box below. We're gonna keep it right on moving with eyebrows. Beep, 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 beep. Incoming message.
Hello, body every. Editing Danielle here. It was at this time where I made my first and gravest mistake. You see, without looking at the reference photo of KIKI, our delivery service girl, I thought to myself, I says, the youth, the churls, they have big, bushy eyebrows, not unlike myself, because no one has told them they need to pluck them yet. So I, in my eternal folly, decided to make big, bushy eyebrows. This would later be my undoing. Back to your regularly scheduled programming.
I look uncertain here. I should have been. Okay, waterline warning. If you're not okay with like seeing stuff really close to eyeballs, here's a timestamp for you. I will see you later. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eye stuff. So what this is supposed to do is make your eyes look larger by eliminating that lower rim of darkness and adding some more lightness. Alright, well I did it. I almost poked my eye out, but I did it. Now it's time for blush. Now it's time for blush. What's it? Now it's time for blush. Now it's time for blush. In the bushes. Now it's time to flush. Now it's time to flush out the foxes. Now it's time. Can you tell it's late at night when I'm recording this voiceover? Oh, so I was worried that this was going to be too pigmented, but then I remembered it's Glossier. So I decided to put more. Now here's a little subtle Danielle fact. If I start moving like the character, I'm clearly getting into character. Yes, 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 it worked! Finally, a makeup thing actually happened well. I knew that not only a big part of cosplay looks, but also like glamorous makeup looks is that an eyelash can go a long way to save you. These are the eyelashes I'm using. Ardell has a pot of gel for the magnetic lash, but I got different varieties from Amazon. But the variety pack, the magnetic eyeliner inside of that pack smells like iron shavings and death. Do not, if you choose to buy these, do not use that eyeliner. Throw it in the trash and keep the lash. I think the gel in my Ardell dried up. Okay guys, I just need you to keep in mind that this is my first time trying to cosplay, and also pretty much my first time trying to do a full face, so we're just gonna show you the progress. Try to put this lash on it to cover up my crimes. Now the reason I'm using magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes in the first place is because you see how freaking curly my eyelashes are. It's so hard to get an eyelash past like the Fort Knox that are my eyelashes. But all my Ardell done wiped off, so here's some Kiss magnetic eyeliner. And yeah, that worked. Good for me. I'm trying to show you both of the lashes on, but I didn't notice that my left lash has betrayed me. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. All right, I look great. Wow. I'm gonna start talking like I actually know what I'm doing. For a nice youthful glow, you know, Kiki wouldn't wear anything with a lot of color, so we just use our Glossier Cherry Lip Balm Dotcom. You know, can't overdo it. Look, I'm about to do the subtle Danielle thing again. There it is. Yep, I'm done. We're done. We're done here. We're done. We're moving on to hair. I can't do any more of this makeup business. So, my hair is fluffed out as I've been sweating and in terror. Look, I'm doing the pose thing again. That clearly means that I like what I'm seeing. Kiki's eyebrows are thin. So, I saw drag queens do this to cover up their eyebrows, and I have pretty bushy eyebrows. So... tries cosplay once. Never do cosplay, kids. Not even once. Not even one time. Time to go in with some eyeliner to touch some things up and try to make some eyebrows. Oh no! Oh yeah. Do I have to say anything? Like, there's nothing I can say. So I did these eyebrows off camera. Yes, they look flat. Yes, they look weird. But you know what? It's the best I have right now. I'm done. I'm done. We're done here. Shut it down. Shut it down. So now it's time for hair and costume, something I'm much more comfortable and good at. hopefully my hair and my costume can save this because we're working with a rough foundation. Oh, look. Kiki has bangs. Look at your references, kids. But this can be easily solved. I have plenty of hair in the front of my head. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna fold it over, and I don't have the gumption to go get a bobby pin. We're just literally going to use the headband to shove my hair down and create faux bangs, because I don't have it left in me. I have put glue on my eyebrows. I have nothing left. I am gaining a little bit of confidence in here. Hair does a lot. Hair does a lot. Now this would be the place where I would build up the music and start a montage, but I actually have my initial reaction on camera. Here it is. Oh, thank God, it was all worth it. Just enjoy this montage. You've earned it. So have I. Kiki, do you love me? Are you achievable for a newbie like me? Sorry if the audio's crappy, I gotta get to a doctor's appointment, which means that I need to unearth my eyebrows. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was as entertaining to you as it was to me. Plus, I got this sick bag. And I'm gonna wear these unironically. Maybe not to my doctor's appointment, though. I really hope you guys like this cosplay content because I really want to keep doing cosplay content. I can only improve. Literally only improve, so.
Hello, Editing Danielle here. I have a list of things I have learned from this video alone, in ways I will improve in my cosplay in the future. First, the glowy look does not lend itself well to animated flat characters. I will be investing in either finishing powder or drying foundations and contour. Secondly, I need to improve upon my eyeshadow application skills, as their matteness is much better and superior for cosplay than standard eyeliner, which is too shiny. Thirdly, I must up my contour game. I cannot pretend that I can get away with any willy-nilly things. I need high-quality contour that is definitely darker than me. Especially. And I need to practice putting on eyelashes, that's all. Hopefully, things go a little better next time. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and like it. It really helps me fight the algorithm dragon. I upload videos like this and hair content on Tuesdays at evening, EST. And I hope that you guys will join me for the next one. What all do you want me to cosplay? If you want to have a little more say-so, I would highly suggest you checking out my Patreon in the link below or right here so you can vote on what cosplays I do next, because I'm looking at my treasure trove, which is just beyond this camera, that my patrons have already seen. If you want to see it, you can log on. Anyway, thank you so much. This has been me, Danielle, obviously a resident weirdo. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you. StarPuppy signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy. Away! Swiffer away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.